Hi there, this is Ken, and we have here a very interesting problem. Still a unit conversion problem. 308 cubic centimeters is converted to blank cubic kilometers. So the units are now in cubic, means it's a volume, and we just need to know the relation we have from centimeters to kilometers, and we know that 1 meter is just equivalent to 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. And we'll be needing these two conversion factors in our solution. This is the way we solve this kind of problem. And let us remember that our given has three significant figures, so we will round our answers based on the number of significant figures. So we have 308 cubic centimeters. Then multiply that by our conversion factor. We'll proceed from centimeter to meter. And so 1 meter then, and 100 centimeter in the denominator. That's just equal to 1. And the problem is this is only meters, this is centimeters, but this one is cubic centimeters. So we can't cancel this out because these are not the same unit. But so we need to cube this whole equation, this whole factor here, and that would give us cube of each of these. And you have to be very careful when performing these calculations. And then we multiply that by the next conversion factor, and that is in meters, so we need to convert it to kilometers. So it has to be in the numerator, kilometer, and meter in the denominator. So we can't perform an operation here, so this still needs to be cubed. So in that way you um, you can cancel the units now. And what but uh, let's uh, let's transform this equation and perform this operation here so that it would be more understandable. So we have 308 cubic centimeters, and then you would get there 1 cube is just 1, that would be n cubed now, and then 100 cube, and the cn would be cubed. So that unit would now then cancel out, and then 1 cube, that's just 1, then that would be cubic kilometers, and this one would be 1,000 cubed, and the unit there is m cubed. So m meters cubed would cancel, and then we have an answer of 3.08 times 10 to the negative 13 of a kilometer cubed. And our answer is rounded up to three significant figures. That's it. Hi there, this is Ken. We have a wonderful problem here we need to work out. That is 308 cubic centimeters converted to blank cubic kilometers. And so we have our given and three significant figures, and then we just want to know the relation between centimeter and kilometer, and we can have it in our conversion factor and table. We know that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1,000 meters. Now, if you have a conversion table that uses volume, it would be much easier, but we could also use this solution, and I prefer to use this one. And so, proceeding, we have 308 cubic centimeter, and then multiply it by the first conversion factor, we have 1 meter over 100 centimeter. Now remember, this is a different unit. This is 1 in cubic, this is just linear, this just, so we need to cube this whole expression there, and then so that we could cancel out the units. Then also it's meter there, so we have um, um, 1 kilometer over 1000 meters. Then we can't operate these unless we cube the expression there, and then solving that we would have this kind of expression. This would be very careful here that 1 cubed is just equal to 1, and then the unit would also be cubed, and the whole term there would also be cubed, 100 cubed, and over cm cubed, multiplied by 1 cube is just 1, and kilometer cubed divided by 1000. That would also be cubed, and meter cubed. And then we can now cancel the units. So we have our answer in kilometer cubed. And doing the calculation, we would get 3.08, or up to 3 times 10 to the negative 13 kilometer cubed. And that's our answer.